What is up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to make this tiled animation that follows like a circle path for us on screen here inside of After Effects using a really cool tool that speeds up your workflow. And that tool is called GridMaker, as you can see here on screen. Now to get a hold of GridMaker, it's really simple. Head over to filmit.io. You can download it through their desktop studio application. There's a free trial. Jump in, try it out. Once you've installed their desktop application called Filmit Studio, you can install GridMaker. And along with all the other plugins they offer, which is TextPilot, all these cool ones, it's all packaged into one deal. So it's pretty cool. And they're always releasing new products. There's a Discord channel that you can join to talk more about the plugins, request features, and I'm a big part of it. So feel free to check it out. Now we have GridMaker installed inside of After Effects here. As you can see on my screen, this is something else, but GridMaker makes this as well, which is pretty cool. You want to go to Window, Extensions, and then GridMaker. Opens up this right here. This is the OG version of GridMaker that is just kind of legacy, but still works really great. It grids your footage very quickly. But we want to open up Advanced Mode here by clicking Advanced Mode. And this opens up Advanced Mode right here. So as you can see, there's three modes. There is Flat, 3D Spatial, and then Path. We're working with Path today. Flat does animations like this, same concept, automatically animates for you, creates After Effects compositions. 3D Spatial is what you saw on the very start of this video. And then Path is this, where it does this. So we're going to stick to Path today. So there's a couple of customization tools here, which is pretty cool. We have our composition, our frame rate, the duration of the video. We want pre-comp boxes. We want a grid controller, as in a null that gets created that we can control later. We want boxes. We want 9 of them. We want the source to be a shape preset. From After Effects means we can totally just draw like a path, and I'll test it out in a minute. Circle, square, star. Let's do like a circle. Follow the direction. We want these to, you can change from square, 16:9 or vertical videos. Vertical actually looks pretty cool. Let's do square, make the corners like this, make the size about right here. And then animation, travel along, layout, which means it doesn't move. Speed, spread is this right here. Let's completely spread these out. And then assemble is the animation in, which will be right here. Hit play. And there's an out animation you can actually add as well. So they'll scale away. Let's actually just turn those off. We don't need those right now. But let's just show you what it looks like when we do the path animation, which is kind of cool. So in After Effects, we do a new composition. Let's just grab like a polygon tool, like so. You can also totally just use a pen tool. That's totally fine. Back in GridMaker, we have this. We want to go to Shape Preset from After Effects and then import Path from After Effects. We have our shape selected, and there it goes. It follows the exact shape. Now back from this Shape Preset, let's do Create New Comp. What it does is it creates a new comp for us inside of After Effects that follows the exact thing we created on screen. But we want to do something with footage, so we need 9 boxes. You could just throw footage in here as like, let's take like Sourcer, one of Filmit's other plugins. Let's do video. Let's just do any video. Insert this seal. Here it is inside of After Effects. It's huge because it's scaled up. Scale it down. As you can see, GridMaker path, and it would be there. It'd be fine. But we don't want to do that. We want to make a new composition with 9 different boxes. So new composition. Okay. Let's go to a new plugin called GIFer, which is similar to Sourcer, but it inserts GIFs. And let's insert 9 different GIFs. There's our 9 GIFs. Back to GridMaker. And we want to select our layers. Does this and do apply to selection. Close this out. And here it is. It has made our thing. Now the GIFs aren't going to play fully because they're not that long. So I'm going to quickly extend these. All the GIFs have been extended, and there it is. I have it kind of repeating, so it's not too far, but this would just rotate fully. And that is a quick thing inside of GridMaker that's very helpful. Now, if you'd, like I said before, if you'd like to try GridMaker, just download it from filmit.io through Filmit Studio, and there's a 7-day free trial, and you get to try out all those other plugins as well. You can also join the Discord channel. Really easy to find. Just click settings in GridMaker or find it online. It's filmit.io/Discord. And if you have any questions and want to ask about the features, other plugins, any tools, you can actually join the Filmit.io Discord. It's in the settings panel inside of Discord, and also there's plenty of links on the website, or you can just go to filmit.io/Discord or find it down in the description. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for being a part of the channel. If you're new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe to learn tips and tricks and learn about cool new tools. Peace.